let's talk about the barbell push press. So unlike the barbell overhead press, where your elbows start underneath the bar and you're going only with your arms, this is going to start with your elbows in front. You want to find that shelf where the bar can rest across your shoulders and your collarbone. So this is going to provide a stable point from which to use your legs to push legs first, and that's going to pop the bar up off your chest, and you're just going to finish with your arms. So you're going to stay tall as you go down. It's just a small movement down. Bending your knees just a little bit, and then popping it up, finish with your arms. Should be fast, explosive, punch the ceiling, legs first, and then finish with your arms.